It is 7:28. It was thunderstorming out here a few minutes ago. Look at how much it changed. It was very dark out here. It's light out here now. On August 13th, 2025. Totally bright out here now. Even though the skies over there still have dark clouds, but it totally got light out here on Bergen Avenue, Kearny. But it's rain. You can see rain coming off the building. Stop. I can hear still rain. It's still. I can still hear raining, but not as hard as it was before. And even cars are actually driving without their windshield wipers on. I hear that. Fire engine coming somewhere. Come.